Okay, so Lorinda's got the kama, also known as the rice knife, forged from reclaimed harrow tooth, and hardened, sharpened, all that good stuff. So we're just going to show you how she uses it for harvesting comfrey. You want to tell us a bit about comfrey while you're doing this, Lorinda?
So comfrey is known as the knit bone plant. It's used for healing broken bones, sore joints. Actually has many purposes, but I harvest it to use in my salve for its healing properties. Mainly for the sore joints, healing connective tissue. I'll get this big leaf.
Yeah. So Lorinda's reaching into the plant there, and I presume you're just giving it a little flick of the wrist there with the knife. Is it cutting well? Yeah. Okay.
As opposed to trying to break the stalk.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So a lot easier with the rice knife.
So the rice knife basically is the Japanese version of the sickle. The European sickle is much longer. It has a blade that's about, I would guess, 12 inches so long and curved, which was used primarily for harvesting grains, I believe, back in the day. Nice.
Clean cut there.
Yeah. One of the main advantages to using the rice knife is, like Lorinda said, it gives you a clean cut, but you're also able to cut selectively. So instead of coming in here with a big machete or sickle and cutting down a whole bunch, Lorinda can specifically cut down whatever stalk it is that she's looking for. The kama is also good for a process called chop and drop. If you have a lot of dandelion in your garden and you don't want to bother digging up all the roots, you can actually chop the leaves down before the flowers form on the plant, and just chop at the base of the plant and let the leaves lie. I use the kama as well for trimming our hedges, for any kind of woody perennial that has branches that are about half the size of a pinky. You can take care of that pretty well.
Also good for harvesting any greens from the garden too, and squash.
Oh yeah, good point. So there's a pile, and we're going to be getting a lot more of this too, so.
Also good for adding to your compost.
The comfrey, yeah.
And animal feed. We'll be feeding some to the chickens.
Yeah.
In the winter. For its calcium content.
Awesome.
Yeah, decent pile right there.
Thanks for demonstrating that. Okay, this is Tim from Reforged Ironworks, and Lorinda, and both of us actually, Lorinda and Tim, from Iron in Time. Check out our website and all that good stuff. Okay, see ya. Is what? Is sharp? Yeah.
Do you want me to... At the start of this one too?
I'm recording now. We'll just capture moments.